Maharaj, who are the people going today here?
नहीं from Guwahati 4 buses and 1 tempo traveler is left. यहाँ से 3 buses is going. I wish all my Tiprasa people a very good journey. Go back home, be with your family, stay safe, maintain social distance, and Bubagra loves you, you love me, and this is my duty. I'm just doing my duty by helping my Tiprasa people.
So here, Bubagra, how many buses are going from Shillong?
From Shillong 3 buses, from Guwahati already 4 buses and 1 traveller. So in total 8. Then from Pune 1 is already crossing today. West Bengal 2. I think 1 more is coming from Mizoram. 1 is gone. 1 more is going from Mizoram.
Okay, thank you, Bubagra.
Bye.